Alright, my friends, the garden in Devon, season 2. Oh! Let's go out and see what I did. Oh shoot, I was gonna get the names for the plants for you people. Leave the music behind. Come to the camp. Alright, so what did we plant? We got a Harmony Snow plant. Oops, I got it kind of centered there. Let me leave the door open here so I can do this with two hands. And we got some pretty grand reds, Petunias. And we have some Cleopatra, Cypress Dwarf, something or other. And then we've got our Scarlet, which is, I can't even read that without my glasses on. So, that is what we got down there, and I counted. And today I planted, Today I planted some 40 plants and flowers. Oh, let's go take a look. Now that we're done, look at those carrots. Happy carrots. There we go. There's one. And here's the other. So that looks a lot better than just empty dirt plots. So, and hopefully all these things will take and survive and live and thrive. And yeah, that was a good day's work. Just had a shower. And some friends of mine are in town for the weekend, so I'm going to go see them this evening, which I haven't seen them in a long time. It's been too long. And yeah, I can relax. Tomorrow it's supposed to rain most of the day, but we shall see if they get water from the rain or if they get water from me. It'll be one of the two. But it is done. The garden's fucking done. Done planting shit. And now we just grow and harvest, I hope. Keep fingers crossed. If you have any tips or tricks you want to leave me, absolutely, please do. And if you have any comments or questions, those too are most welcome. And please like, subscribe, and share this video. And as always, my friends, have a beautiful day, and a beautiful evening, and a beautiful weekend. And we'll probably see you sooner than later.